The KITCHENDOA Acacia Wood 25-slot knife block offers a durable and elegant solution for organizing your cutlery collection. Crafted from high-quality acacia wood, this block provides a sturdy and long-lasting storage option that complements any kitchen decor. Its large capacity ensures that you have ample space to keep your essential tools within easy reach, while maintaining a clean and orderly countertop. With its innovative universal design, the KITCHENDOA Acacia Wood 25-slot knife block accommodates a wide variety of blade shapes and sizes. The 25 slots are strategically arranged to hold multiple types of knives securely, preventing them from dulling against each other. This thoughtful configuration allows for maximum versatility, making it an ideal choice for home cooks who possess an extensive assortment of culinary instruments. Investing in the KITCHENDOA Acacia Wood 25-slot knife block simplifies your meal preparation process by providing a dedicated and safe home for your blades. The heavy-duty butcher block construction keeps the stand stable during daily use, effectively protecting both your countertops and your knife edges. By centralizing your storage, this stand enhances kitchen efficiency and keeps your workspace clutter-free. Pros: holds up to 23 knives, includes scissor slots, durable acacia wood, easy to clean surface, stable anti-slip feet, bottom air vent drying, prevents blade rusting, reduces blade wear, maintains blade sharpness, accommodates various knife types. Cons: no knives included, large footprint required, limited slot depths, requires manual cleaning. Features: 25-slot storage capacity, premium acacia wood material, universal knife compatibility, large countertop footprint, secure knife organization, easy access design, sturdy butcher block. Construction: space-saving kitchen storage. The KITCHENDOA Acacia Wood 25-slot knife block offers a durable and elegant solution for organizing your cutlery collection. Crafted from high-quality acacia wood, this block provides a sturdy and long-lasting storage option that complements any kitchen decor. Its large capacity ensures that you have ample space to keep your essential tools within easy reach, while maintaining a clean and orderly countertop. The KITCHENDOA 25-slot acacia wood knife block offers an excellent storage solution for knife enthusiasts, featuring durable construction, stable anti-slip feet, and a thoughtful design that protects blade sharpness through air vent drying, reduced wear, and the ability to hold various knife types and scissors. However, potential buyers should be aware that the block does not come with knives, requires manual cleaning, may have limited slot depths for certain tools, and occupies a significant amount of counter space due to its large footprint.